So PAMIS were co-founders of the Changing Place Toilet Consortium well over 12 years ago. And it started out basically because there weren't any facilities for people that have a profound learning and multiple disabilities. So there are no toilets, and unless you have a changing bench and a toilet with a tracking hoist, people aren't able to have their personal care needs met. So families came to us as an organisation, PAMIS, and highlighted that was the biggest barrier to them going out.
Well, at the National Galleries of Scotland, we're really passionate about being as accessible and welcoming as possible. We're really passionate about the role, the positive role that art and creativity can play in people's lives. So learning more about the Changing Places toilet was really important for us. Really learning about how the lack of those facilities can exclude people was quite stark.
There are very few Changing Places toilets in the United Kingdom at the moment, so there are around 1,300 toilets in the UK, and just under 200 of those are in Scotland. So actually to have one here at the National Galleries of Scotland is fantastic, because there are actually very few cultural venues in Scotland that currently provide Changing Places toilets for people. So I think there are actually only around 6 museums in the whole of Scotland, which is really something that we need to work hard to change.
The Portakabin and Changing Places facility worked well for National Galleries because they couldn't make any internal changes to their building. There was nowhere within the building that would work to fit out this facility. So the fact that it can be standalone on the grounds, that ticked all the boxes for National Galleries.
Okay, so in a Changing Places facility, and in this facility we've got here, we've got a ceiling track hoist system. It's an X-wire system, so it covers the whole room. As well as that, we have the height adjustable changing bench, and then we also have the height adjustable basin, so that different users can use it. You've got people coming in, different ages, different needs, different wheelchairs. You've also then got the privacy screen. The purpose of it is that somebody can come in with maybe 2 carers rather than just one, and they can be hoisted onto the changing bench, maybe undressed, and the privacy screen gives them privacy from maybe a family member or somebody else who's in the changing place at the same time, but isn't actually giving them personal care.
Well, it's been really exciting having the Changing Places toilet. I think it's a real source of pride for the galleries. We are really able to welcome and engage with an audience with more complex disabilities for the first time properly. So yeah, the whole thing's really been about teamwork and about learning, and as I say, it's a source of pride for everyone to have a Changing Places toilet. But it really started with visitors telling us what they needed.